Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Bernoulli distribution. So what is Bernoulli distribution? I already discussed about the probability density function, probability mass function. So Bernoulli distributions comes under a probability mass functions like for the discrete variables because there is only uh, two possible outcomes, namely one for success and zero for failure and a single trial. So let's start with the easiest distribution, that is Bernoulli distribution. Bernoulli distributions has only two possible outcomes, namely one success and zero failure, and a single trial. So the random variable x, which has a Bernoulli distribution, can take value x with the probability of success, say p, and the value 0 with the probability of failure, say q. So this is known as probability mass function for the Bernoulli distribution, or we can also say binary distribution as Bernoulli distribution, because here we are getting only two random variable value 0 or 1. This is the known as probability mass function for Bernoulli distribution, where x belongs to 0 and 1. If x equal to 1, we can write p. If x equal to 0, 1 minus p, where we are getting this value by putting x equal to 1 inside this function. So in this way we are getting a Bernoulli distribution of a random variable. So here the occurrence of the head, like 1 is denoted the head and 0 is denoted for the tail. And here the occurrence of the head denotes success and the occurrence of tail denotes failure. Probability of getting a head equal to 0.5, and also probability of getting a tail, since there are only two possible outcomes, so probability of getting head and the probability of getting tails are the same. The probabilities of success and the failure need not to be equally likely, like the result of a fight between we are fight between like India versus England, and like England is India is pretty much certain to win. So in this case, probability of India winning success is 0.15, and while failure is for the England, failure is 0.85. So here you can say by one example, here is the success rate, probability of success is 0.15 and the failure is around 0.85. So there is no condition that the probability of the success and failure should be the same criteria, so it can be a different. There are many examples of Bernoulli distributions, such as whether it's going to rain tomorrow or not, where rain denotes success and no rain denotes failure. Winning or losing the game, like India versus England match or India versus Australia match is going on, and winning the probability of winning the India uh, considered as a success, and losing probability of losing the India considered as a failure. So in this way, there are lots of examples related to Bernoulli distributions. So here is main concept is in related to Bernoulli distribution is, it's like Bernoulli distributions only two possible outcomes, like one for success and zero for failure. And another one thing is probability mass function, what probability mass function is used in distributions. So that's all related to Bernoulli distribution. We will discuss more about different type of distributions one by one. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.